Kublai jumpa di Pro, akan ke video komentar. Hanpan EAP kumno ban download ya ka answer key rengkat bat ki question paper. Jong ka SSC GD mo kunong ka arajar fan. Tektu ke bala depth exam marba ya ka max jong pi krempat upload hapo ka website te pin nom la ban UI te pila ban check na kine kan no pi max rengkat bat kana question paper ber answer key la de pening tu bat ki answer ba pp la ting kadene ka rong ka dapat di hang tu te kumno ban download bedeng an peni pp mental mar ba ka dapat upload adu menen kasngi khanyo tarik te kumno ban check ba di kitu ki bompat late to exam ro ki ban atem hagan kan next beda pila ban page do kan kan nyarap bahaya pi kumno ban atem question mat kumno ban bomde ban atem question te namta ka admit card namta ka jing mare hadu mentar 4 kimpat upload te kita ba nadu ka khatsan tarik hi kan upload tang ba ngalaya check makapor tang ba claim 4 yo adu mentaru te andal ayo angan sapentip te kiba ya ya kata dengan sapentip andang layo angan ya check himan kapor mengan sapentip ya kata te minta ngin yat nyon takane kumdo ban check ya kita ki question paper ki jong phi kini ki bala ada badele exam te phi klik ikane ki phile chapo phile ha website jong ka ssc.nic.in ngatrai pila tip hi ban lek kane website ndala lek pio be kini hak mat du kadon kane notification uploading of final answer key along with question paper te klik hakatu ndala klik hakatu bade kan pha download ep ya kane ka notice tenda pila download ya kane ka notice bade pila ban pulih hang ne pila ban ngine la ajeng pat tip hang tu den la de bang tu bade pila ban klik ya uni udak final answer key constable GD pila ban klik hang tu klik here ndala klik hang tu bade kan sawan na phine candidate login te ha kan candidate login pina panda bi urun nomor jong pi pina panda bi password badon ha ka admit card jong pi ten la de panda pade pin sayo ya ka answer key ten la de nang tu pade ngasami tenda bila ada pendap yuk password baru nomor jong pi bin sayo by direct ya question paper with answer ten la dep sami by kumtu bin kan mi by ka kerteng ka jong pi uru nomor ka exam center ka tarik kum tatar te pila ban check tu by nel to constable GD in CPF SSS rifleman GD in Assam rifle and sipo in NCB examination 2022 te nda dep nak tu de pila ban check ang ne apa kane question kane ka correct answer ka answer ka jong phi kane hang ne phila ban check mo kane bade ha ka raj answer phinyo ek answer ka jong phi mar ha ka left answer ke answer ka bade correct answer te phya pani compare hang tu ka wrong ne ka raj te hang ne bade bro artli ke correct man ba kane ka dei kane man ba atem correct answer kan yo kan which of the following number will replace question mark in a given series kadai number 4 age 3 tekan mau ba haka SSCGD phaban atem hai ka pat A an pat B nomor balada phi khlem passing in artali phinom yo ya ka pat C bet pat D lada khlem atem ru umlele hindre ka pat A pat B is a most ban atem bej mar ka don cut off nom takne artali yo kidon na gitu giwe ki bala hema ki yo life r tam ya ka marks hindre kimi gerteng nam ta ka physical examination nam ka dei nomor ba ki fail ya ka pat A bat ka pat B kan mau ba mo ta ka da phaban atem ha ya kapat A bat kapat B. Number 2 select the correct option. Te kadai 3 I D diklat. Te hang nero correct answer 3. To ka turu kadai. Te gine phap nang ma ban atem. Amdai ban tik lumar amdai new play by question sayat ben. Which of the following number will replace the question mark in the given series? Correct answer is 1 7 8 1. Hang nero correct answer 1. Select set in which number are related in the same way as are the number of the following set. Have select a number. Ngap khen ba te ka correct answer 3 hang ne 4. Ni kane ka pen I ba ka answer ka dei ngala correct ya ka ngala tik ya ka wrong answer be hang ne ka correct answer ka dei 3 te ka answer ka jonga ka bang atem bade ka dei 4 kumta kan tagarau sa check by gimak anda pila download ya ka kena question paper with answer ki sa khen gi marks ki jong phi Te kabar rong kum kane pila sha minus 0.25. Mau ma khen lang baro e kabadai sa khen sei bom dai pia minus pada. Dai bang ba pen khen tang kabadai markadon negative marking. And number 5, select the correct mirror image. Kena di mirror image pia pulih ba menukan kini kelagi dur. The correct answer kadai number 3. Hane ka chosen answer kadai number 2. Munwa wrong. So the correct answer is 3. Question number 6. Which option represent the correct order? Correct answer is 4. Chosen answer is 4. So answer correct. Ayo mark dulu. In a certain good language, kini rupiah menang. Then la khen mang tu correct answer kadai 3, 95. Chosen answer also 3. Which of the following term will replace the question mark? Hang negrai 2 y f z. Correct answer ro. Chosen answer ro 2. Good. Number 9. The correct answer kadai number 4. Chosen answer number 2. Tunggu bala duk mark kanero. Apa ni itu mau answer status answer. Which two signs should be interchanged to make the below equation mathematically correct? Te phap khen ni kitai bot mas te yo nam yo te pisa phap change kitai mo ki sign kumno kan yo khandai phulai change ki sign te kinu ki sign ibade ban change ba pan yo khandai phulai phap khen answer the correct answer kadai number 4 then the chosen kadai number 3 te la wrong. 11 correct answer kadai 2 chosen answer kadai 2. 6 colleague A, B, C, D, E are having lunch. Terhadap hikwa ban pulih question ru pihak ban pos chua nomor ramdon por ban yu kan simpor ba. Te pos chua te sa pulih bersape je answer. Which two signs should be interchanged to make the below equation mathematically? Kane ru ka ju change ki sign. Te ka correct answer ka number 3 but ka chosen answer ka number 2. Te ha practice ba kum kini kiwan mai kumne bit kumju bet kini ban sa apply ru kan apply bang kan next mun ba phia ban check ba kum kini ru. Which figure should replace the question mark if the series were to be continued? Anu phia nang ma pe ikidur kumno ka change temun ba sa kan next dur bade kan long kumno phia ban tip ha. Te ka correct answer ang ne ka number 4. So chosen option dari 3. To la bakla kanero. The question number 14. A plus B mean B is the father of A slash B mean B is the sister of A other B mean B is the brother of A. The hang tu lewat dan A other B hash C plus D plus E. Then how is E related to A? Siap nang kan? How is E related to A? Ke don jinga de ayu tapi apa yang tu? Te nang manjir answer kadai faras 1 te hang lero chosen answer ni 1. Tanggi bala practice mo gila amdai ban show man shulek thawet sa shu yo la kayo ba amdai kumta. Bala amlen ban le thaw exam bala amlen man pule te kin la ban atem. In a certain good language card is large is good as straw andal kanero tangi bala practice siap na. Ya kadai straw number 1 the correct answer kadai 1. Two different positions of the same dice are shown. Alphabet P to U. Find alphabet on the face opposite on the face choosing U. Kini rupiah melin lapule pila nang hi. The correct answer dari food dari R. The chosen answer dari 3. Tu la do mang. 17 correct answer dari 1. Tara chosen answer dari 4. Takada omdai ban attempt keluar di question. Da check bah. Show ban attempt. Da sungguh ba kamlong. Omdai bang ba atem lut baik baru arpo bu shua saya shua hakui bde nang bun bagi question. Page mo kajeng bakal hang ne shwin. Tak tu la select the option figure which is embedded in the given figure. Piap select ke figure ko bala pen de hang tai. Te kan ne ka don hang tu. Jadi number 1. Ko don hang ne ka dur pela question. Te ka di 1. The chosen answer di 1. Correct. Which letter cluster will replace the question mark? Phia buat itu letter badan hang tu question mark. Tede katuru phia practice la nang te la yo. Te kadai food, te question answer dai food. Gini ki ba phila baj ban atem. Kani kham you kendian nam tai kasten chapo da jumlen ni kum gini ba amde ber atem keluar kum gini question. In this question, 3 statements are given below, flow by 2. Conclusion number 1 and 2. Kemungkinan long keluar klik bah. Tak ada kemungkinan question. Ialah nama attempt shua. Salah hadin. Tekum hungneru baik. Neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Hab suatu shua question bisa. Page gini kalau dapat tu kanu kepada ini conclusion 1 and 2. Kayak ham nama tiga jengkali. Ada film susu baik ke question. Naik attempt kemungkinan question mah. Tekum hangne baik correct answer kadai 3. Mereka choose option kali 4. Mari kam terki bah gibom jumlin. Teh tu baik R 4 teli question. R makawai te ada takada wan matem baro piaban tang kibapi la dikena satem. Te wan sakapat B ro don pasmak kam tang kapat A lai piap la ban mar kam he pasmak kapat B kam duna. Sibuh kapat B kan de nyomak ngora kapat A kan de double la ban de khat saw lam de khat san lam de ka chong ma ka chong at kum ka nyu. Which latitude line passes through the middle of India, influencing the climate of the country? Tropic of Cancer. Correct answer, Tropic of Cancer, chosen option 2. Which of the following was one of the main objectives of the 7 5-year plan? Increase in production of food grain. 1. Chosen option 2. Dash fall under the Ministry of Textile, grade Samad scheme. Chosen option 1. They're wrong. Correct answer 4. Chosen option 1. During the emergency, which fundamental right cannot be suspended? Correct answer 3. Article 2021. Chosen option 2. Tu lah bakal. Who was the first complete census conducted in India? Pihak pulih bhag ini general knowledge sudah. 1881. Correct answer. Chosen option 1. Which state won the Vijay Hazara Trophy in 2017-18? Karnataka. Chosen option 3. Karnataka. Correct. During the reign of which of the following Mauryan kings the Kalinga War was fought? Ashoka. Correct answer. Chosen option 2. Who was the first Indian to conquer the English Channel from Dover to Calais in 1958 and also the only man to swim the ocean of the 5 continents of one calendar year in 1966? Mihir Sen. Te umne klaim atem banyak kumune. Not answer kumut ba umlelei. Kemudian mudba umkan naga question ma not answer ma kane mudba klaim yomak pi klaim du mak ma bani ki ba atem sa bomdei katu sha minus mark kan indicative marking ane kum kane bde marapim la phya ban skip be amde bang ma shu atem lo de bara ma ki bang pat jumlen amde ban atem lo bara khamta mi ki first time ma first se ki barang lek to exam ni kon kong lek ki de man bu bhai kan ga jumun. Identify a way to reduce pollution caused due to burning of fossil fuel by increasing the efficiency of the combustion process. Correct answer 3. Chosen option 3. Which commissioned India's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant in Kochi in September 2022? Correct answer Narendra Modi. Chosen answer 2. Bakalan. Which of the following is a Thanksgiving festival of Maharashtra where bulls are honored as they are considered indispensable to farming? Correct answer 1. Pola Festival. Chosen option 2. Tapan Kumar Pandayak won the Sangsit Natak Karkanwi award in which dance form? Number 4. Chow. Chosen option 2. The President of India is elected by the elected member of both House Parliament and State Legislative Assembly. Chosen option 3. Correct. 3. Who has been appointed as State Branch Ambassador of Uttarakhand government in August 2022? The Rishabh Pant. The chosen answer correct. 2. Tela wrong. Correct answer 1. Moose and more chanda come under which of the following? Correct answer 1. Barayaphan. Not answer. Candidate not answer. Original text of the Indian Constitution contain 395 article. Correct answer. Chosen option also 4. In which of the following states Arabica coffee grown in India? It is correct answer is 2. Karnataka. Chosen option is 4. Jagoi is a major style of which of the following form of Indian classical dance? 2. Manipuri. Correct. Chosen answer 1. Correct answer 2. Chosen answer 1. Revenue receipts are dashed as did not relate to a claim on the government. Non-redeemable. Correct answer is 3. Chosen answer is 3. 2000 banknote of Mahatma Gandhi news series has dash motif on his bank. Mangalyan. Correct answer is 1. Chosen answer is 3. So, tehangnya lapoy ka elementary mathematics part C. Tapi mau kapat si berkapat di ngong ba lada phim atem rom lei tang ba pham nang ma ban atem ski tamai te atali pham atem ben padi padbi di samas phi dei ban pas ben kadon la cut off mark kini tem don cut off mark kemune kemudian pat si padiem kemudian bang apa jangan question paper claim atem nomor ba don porschu la plut por plat kite atali te don porschu ban atem begini tapi don kam ban atem nomor ba ban yo qualify hadin maka namta cut off kin don cut off batch every stage hadu la point medical ru kan don cut off batch markat dang bun ki candidate kata kenapan cut off no kitu ki bam ayu ki la saweng kin hap chemi ki bakham he mak na ne phikam yo e ka pus ba phikwa nada phiyo he mak takarau try to attempt kat ka ba phila ban yo score he mak. Question number 1 namta ka elementary mathematics correct answer is 9 6 am. Starts bell commanding together at 9 am. They ring at an interval of 12 seconds, 18 seconds, 24 seconds, 36 seconds, and 7 seconds. At what time do the bell ring together again? 9:06 am. A car cover 240 km in 5 hours. It travel with half of its usual speed. Then how much time will be taken to cover the same distance? 5 hours. Correct answer. A man cover a distance of scooter at 64 km per hour and he returned to the starting place riding a bicycle of 16 km per hour. Find the average speed of the whole journey. Correct answer 25.6 km per hour. Ada phim nang nai you kumanero ne kilometer me ne patsi patbi kilometer. The income of a person is 95,000 and his expenditure is 25,000. If his income is increased by 18% and expenditure by 12%, then what will be the percentage increase in his saving? 40.5%. Person ride bicycle on 4 different ways to reach the destination. Determine the average speed during this whole journey. Have determined the like to belong to. The correct answer is 3.45 km per hour. Yaman Kenya to Divya bought a car for 3,50,000 and sold it for 4,35,000. What is her percentage profit? Canadian percentage. Correct answer 24.3 percentage. Phim nang man Kenya percentage kumginero. Kumginem na phim nang man Kenya the should skip it. Tangi ba pinang mo kham tam ke Kenya la da phi da kham e nai atam. A cone of radius 9 cm and height 15 cm is melted and made into a cylinder of height 45. The diameter of the cylinder is 6 cm. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 40% on his article and still makes a profit of 20%. How much cost price does shopkeeper pay for an article whose mark price is 2,400? Correct answer is 1,200. Question number 9. Correct answer is 36 by 247. Kini bro degi jingkhen ka stand sudama. Question number 10. Correct answer is number 3. Question number 11. Correct answer is number 1. 10.5%. Hisab pulih mapi. Question number 12. Kungkune how many prime number are there between 40 and 50? Kungkune te phianang hi lada phianang ban page ue the prime number la tip prime number phianang hi nam ta sapo sonpo don kanu tali ki prime number ti don lai tali phianang man kim gini. Question number 13. Correct answer is 57,000. Question number 14. The population of bears in the city has been growing. Correct answer is 20,000. Question number 15. Correct answer is 210. Question number 16. Correct answer is 4 years. Sapule hi question. But sa persang ban solve ban page nuksa. 17. Correct answer is 2,400. Mohan is selling a table at 2,832. If it's frozen, then what is the cost price of the table? Kawan nang man khen percentage. 18. Correct answer is 5.4 days. What is the foot proportional of root 6, root 8 and root 21? Root 2, root 7. Question number 20. The diameter of right circular cylinder and height is 2 cm is 4 cm and height is 2 cm. Phép nang man khen kan mark formula dan sayo then correct answer is 484 cm square. Kini ki jingkhen dengan simpor bha ta dau ya le ban nom atem shwa bu shwa din knang ban yu shim shwa ka English nda la da big take pat epat bi la ban atem shwa ka English tawan sa ka maths dei ban shwa atem ben. Select the most appropriate antonym in given word kan er bhap nang English opposite you te u contain translate ke fresh. Question number 2. Congratulated. I regarded my brother on passing the graduation examination. Congratulated. What you contain to regarded. Question number 3. Select the correct words for the blank in a given sentence. Match box industry. Shiva is famous for its matchbox industry. And find match for my purple dress. Match 3. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. A night owl. Person who prefers to be awake late at night by 11. Page brushmith kumka. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Same word. Synonym with same word. Antonym with different word. Different meaning. Blast, blow up. Ini kaju contain dah. Laka kajong kayu kaju contain. The blast, dua kali blow up. Kumka antonym dah. Laka kajong contain. Kayak Perry. Same meaning but different meaning. In how many accident people break their bones mainly because their vehicles brake fails? Select the incorrect spell word. Mungkin ni siap what you bakal spelling. Te nanti permanent bakal spelling tu. Select the inappropriate synonym of the given word. Colloquial, conversational. Select the appropriate meaning of the given idiom at your beck and call to have absolute control over someone. Identify the correctly spelled sentence. The event arranged, organized, in order of time are known as chronological order. Select the most appropriate antonym of the word timid, bold. Select the option to express the given sentence in future tense from the multi facilities available for reaching the island. Number 3. There will be multiple facilities available for reaching the island. Question number 13. Correct answer is 1. Should not entail sacrificing. Question number 14. Correct answer is 3. Lasting. Truthfully speaking, the victorious peace harmony have a more lasting impact on human's life decision than so-called victorious war. Antonym of the given word. Liability, asset. Comprehension. Pihak pulih yang tu kini saya attempt ini question pada. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. Question 16, they are giving for 17 the positives. 18 correct answer is comfortable. Pihak pulih sesuai dengan comprehension dan you attempt kerana ada santali question. 19 select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. To communicate. And the last one is 5. These people strengthen the relationship among the people. The pihak pulih sesuai dengan comprehension dan sa tick ikan answer yang pikan. Tang ni number 3 kedai, number 20 kedai. Among kebutuhan ketiga 5 the principles strengthen the relationship among the people with their interaction and coordination both in personal and professional life. Companies are well benefit who have te laku dang tu te kap kena wei bra kada in Hindi te nam atam Hindi ngin atam tang English mar have choose either Hindi or English te tang kat tu hi te tang kan hi sa check ma phi ki ba ada ban ayu ke exam sa check ke paper ka jong phi sa download sap khenyi ki marks ki jong phi kan no phi yo but naya phadu banda penbi ka marks but ki marks lo can change mo ya ka total marks can change nomor ba kan don ka jing khen percentage mar kitu ki baron ha ka shift ka question jong phi shubu ka question ka marks kan jong phi kan q ada kitu ki don ha ka shift ka ba question jong phi ka kham jam ka marks ka jong phi ka la ban ne ka ju kumta giran lagi per mo jong ki ba mun kan q ka marks jong ki ba jam kelaban ne na laban kan ne haju i kanom ki kam hiera komta kadon komta terus sa check te nam ta ki admit kat ngan sa check update ni man kapor ndala yo e admit kan tang ki ne jum tip khulish bun